just arriving and it is 1 o'clock in the morning. In a taxi. I am like extremely tired. We did not get to our hotel until 1 in the morning. Like, I'm so exhausted. Like, I was supposed to record the hotel and everything, but I was so tired. So we got to the hotel, one, because our flight was delayed like 3 times. It was delayed 3 times. And originally we were supposed to get here at 5 p.m. Sorry, I'm recording. Sorry, I keep getting interrupted because I don't want to look crazy recording and talking at the same time. Every time someone like comes out of an elevator, I look like so retarded talking to myself. And I have to explain to people what I'm doing. I know I don't have to explain, but whatever. So as I mentioned, we were at the gate. The ticket gate said T10. So there was nobody in the seats. Not a clerk at the desk, none of that to take your ticket or what to check your ticket. And I'm like, what the heck? I was like, usually there has to be someone here. Like, I was just like so confused. So luckily I had to use the bathroom, and down from like 2 gates from us, it said going to Miami from Atlanta, T12. And I was like, what the heck? So then, see, I look crazy, so I'm trying to walk away. But the gate was T12 and it said going to Miami for 9:21, delayed again. I was like, what the hell? I was like, this has to be our gate. So I asked the lady, I was like, is this the gate going to Miami? I said, because my gate says T10, this is saying T12. I said, is this the same gate? Is this the same flight that's going to Miami that was delayed from 6 o'clock and 3 or whatever? And she was like, yeah, let me go change that, because there was another girl that was sitting there, and we were like, what the heck? So, and then, okay, we're boarding, around 9 something. I was like, okay, we're boarding. As soon as we get on the plane, the pilot makes an announcement and says, oh, we have to stay on the plane for another 30 minutes because the weather, due to inclement weather, and they're not releasing planes to fly off. So we have to stay on there another 30 minutes. I was like, oh my God, just my freaking luck. Like, just my luck. Why does something always happen to me when I need to travel somewhere? And this is not even traveling out the country. Like, my last trip was something, it was always something. So maybe it's a sign for me to send my ass home. So we're just waiting. Mind you, it's like almost 10 o'clock. I'm tired. So then he makes another announcement like, oh, can't leave yet, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, oh my God. So maybe probably like another 15 minutes later, we're flying out now. And then we do not get here until like 12 something. And then we don't get to the hotel until 1 something in the morning. So I am hungry. I am tired. But you know what? I'm gonna make the best of the trip. It's so funny because I was not supposed to come on Thursday. I was supposed to originally be here today. So it was probably like, sis, humble yourself. But I must to go eat and get my day started. This is their complimentary breakfast. This is all they give me. No eggs, no sausages. And like I told you, I'm hungry. So this is just basically going to help me so I can get dressed. Oh my God. finally in some sun. I really needed that. Seriously. Needed some sun, seriously. So, not too much of a vlog today because just chilling, eating, and it's going to the beach. The beach that we're at is Hollywood Beach. We didn't want to go to Miami because of all the little Miami Beach and Ocean Drive and South Beach or whatever because of everything that was going on. Probably go like Saturday or Sunday, but for now, just chilling at Hollywood Beach. First place that we wanted to go to for breakfast, it was called Bistro Cafe, and I got that inspiration from TikTok, of course. So obviously when you get certain things from TikTok, everybody's gonna go, whoever visits Miami. So it was a line outside and I'm hungry, so of course I'm not about to do that. So me looking at another brunch place on TikTok, it was called Honey Inhibited or Uninhibited, I don't freaking remember. And when I got there, they said reservations, but when you look online, it doesn't say anything about reservations. But I'm just gonna stop looking at TikTok because obviously all of those places are popular places. So I'm just annoyed at this point. So this third place that we're going to try to tip, I did call them. The other places like act like they didn't want to answer, but this place that we're going to is called Oliver's Bistro or something like that, and I called them and made a reservation. So left to I-395 East Miami Beach. I'm hungry, and it is, I think, what is it, 1:54 or 12:54? I don't know, whatever. I'm just hungry at this point. I haven't really recorded too much today because I'm like, at this point I'm hungry and I haven't eaten anything today. Continue on State Route 1A Miami Beach. Yeah, but this is what I have on today. Finally made it to this restaurant called Oliver's Bistro. So it's really nice. When I get inside, I'm gonna do a recording of how it looks inside. The sun is like really blinding, but I think this is a really nice place. I'm gonna check out the menu. For two.
He would have thrived during COVID. So the match is like this huge cake comes out. Okay, happy birthday, Mom.
Can I have one more? Thank you. The pineapple one.
Thank you.
Can I have a little bit of syrup and butter? Yeah, sure. Okay. Oh, sorry. Can I have a little bit of... Yeah. Nice little place. Menu. strawberry. Is my basic that I got. I love Oreo milkshake. The strip of Miami, and it is crowded. About to go out on the town. Decided to go to this little alright, then never mind. This food truck place, little food truck place, because we're hungry and everything in Miami wants to close at 12 a.m. because of COVID and the little curfew that they have going on because people do not know how to act. So yeah, let's see. We'll see how this food tastes. It better be good. I haven't eaten, so I'm gonna make sure that I eat first before drinking all of this, because I'm not a drinker, so I already know I'm gonna be on my ass if I drink all of this without eating. So gotta play smart. So we just finished eating at the Boulevard Hotel, and the food was like very pricey. It wasn't all that. It was like $35, $25 for like seafood stuff, and $65 for food. I'm just like, I don't need that. I mostly wanted to drink, and you saw that big drink of pina colada that I had, and it wasn't all that. Like, I literally feel normal, and I wanted to feel like a little tipsy. And $35 for that big ass drink, and it wasn't even all that. But it is okay because we're gonna still enjoy our time and we're about to go to the beach. So stay tuned. Never been so happy to be back in the hotel. I'm like cold. At night, Miami gets cold. Well, not cold, it's like a little breeze. And it's cold. Whew. Whew. So warm. So now sitting at the gates and getting ready to go back to Atlanta, back to reality, even though it was a little short little trip, but it was still fun. I'm just tired of traveling with this damn mask on. It's just super annoying. And I know I'm in Miami with the hoodie, but on the plane sometimes it's like super cold. So I just wanted to prepare myself because last time I was not prepared. So yeah, on the way back home.
Proceed an emergency exit route. Please refer to the safety information card in the seat back pocket in front of you. Look over the selection criteria. If you do not meet the selection criteria or do not feel comfortable sitting there, please notify a flight attendant so we can reseat you. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, if you
Even though because of COVID and the curfew in Miami, we couldn't do so much, but I still enjoyed being in the heat and going to the beach. It was really relaxing. It was a good little short trip, but I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.